Terra Luna Classic price action is actually holding up a little bit better than one would have expected. We're sitting right here at a crossroads, and the overall community is deciding the future of Terra Luna Classic right now. We've got several proposals. We've got two proposals out there right now that are going to be directing the future of Terra Luna Classic. I can't say several, it's only two. We're going to be looking at the proposal to pay the Terra Rebels $15,000 per month to maintain their network that they currently are working on. And we're also looking at a potential soft fork. Now, this soft fork, not soft work. This soft fork is somewhat of an upgrade, and right now it's not getting a lot of attraction, but it is a brand new proposal. So we're going to see what people are looking at very early on in the stages of this proposal, as well as keeping an update on what is going on with the Terra Rebels paycheck. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Boom, 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 boom. What do we got going on in terms of proposals? Here's what we're going to do first. We're going to look at the Terra Rebels paycheck first, and we're going to get that out of the way since we've been focusing a lot on it lately. And we'll go over the numbers and just a brief description of what they do since you guys are pretty familiar with it by now. So this is proposal 11805, and it's a community pool spend proposal. It's titled the Hexagon, which is the old Terra Rebels. Hexagon, fourth quarter monthly infrastructure operating, maintenance, and development costs. Hexagon successfully operated and maintained the infrastructure in full production for the last 3 quarters, and the spend proposal aims to continue operating and maintaining infrastructure for another quarter on a month-to-month basis. It covers ongoing running costs, technical support, maintenance, and Layer 2 testing. Similar spend proposals will be issued monthly, and the spend proposal is offset by the 12 million Terra Luna Classic that their validator commissions have received. Now, we don't need to go into any more detail on that. You guys understand by now. One guy's getting paid $4,000 a month. 2 other guys are getting paid $3,000 a month. And then the final guy is getting paid $2,000 per month to monitor the network that they've built out there. Something breaks, they go fix it, and so on. Not a bad job, man. Not a bad job at all. But right now, it is currently not passing, and it's actually not close to passing, but we still have plenty of time. This proposal is going to end on September 29th. Right now, there are 36.17% yes votes, or 53.8 billion Terra Luna Classic has voted yes. 56.02% no votes, or 83.4 billion Terra Luna Classic have voted no. No with veto comes in at 6.39%, or 9.5 billion Terra Luna Classic, and only 2 billion LUNC has voted to abstain, 1.42%. Now, it is nowhere near meeting quorum. We need some of the major validators to come in there, and this is interesting as well. Even if they vote no, even if they vote to abstain, this is still receiving more no votes than yes votes. So all nodes is either going to have to come in and abstain and get another major validator to vote yes, or all nodes is going to have to show their bias on this one and vote yes if they want it to pass. Now, if you guys remember from the previous quarter, all nodes voted to abstain. I believe they did that knowing that the proposal would still pass, but they did so to kind of, not show bias towards the Terra Luna Classic community and allow the community to vote. All nodes own 17.5% of all of the LUNC that gets to vote, so they are a major, major player. 2 quarters ago, they did say that they would continue to support. the Terra Rebels, if they continue to maintain what they've got going on, maintain their computer systems, they would continue to support them. So I think as it gets closer and closer to the end, we got to keep our eyes on all nodes on this one to see if this Terra Rebels paycheck for $15,000 a month gets approved. Now, this is still very early. This came out at 2 o'clock in the morning on September 26th. Now, this is proposal 11.817, and it's a text proposal for the v2.2.2 soft fork. This proposal seeks community and validator agreement for the v2.2.2 soft fork. Upon passing of this proposal, the proposed binary is deployed by means of a soft fork. This means validators are required to replace the old binary by the proposed one, before the logic applied at height 14,890,000. This date's wrong. This says approximately June 14th. I believe that is wrong. I think October 9th is what they've got listed on their Commonwealth discussion there. So if you guys are going in and reading that proposal, go into the Commonwealth discussion. I believe the correct date of October 9th is on there. You can find details of that proposed changes and ongoing discussion in the corresponding Commonwealth entry for this proposal at the link provided. Vote yes if you agree to deploy v.2.2.2, and vote no if you signaled that you do not agree to deploy 2.2.2 as proposed in this fashion. Right now, what do we have? 46.93% yes votes. 53% no votes. Nobody is voting no with veto, and only 2.02% or 15 million Terra Luna Classic has voted to abstain. One validator voted no, 10 validators voted yes, and all of the major validators have yet to vote on this one. It is still fresh, it is still new, but here's what these both indicate, guys. There's a lot less governance going on right now than we saw just a couple of months ago. I don't want to say that Terra Luna Classic is dying, okay? But Terra Luna Classic engagement is by all means dwindling. We are seeing less people excited about governance proposals. We are seeing less people excited about Terra Luna Classic price action. We are seeing less people discussing what is happening. We are seeing less people engaging on social media. Now, this could absolutely change. The drop of is it a pen? Is it a hat? Whatever the saying is, this could absolutely change at the drop of something if the price action excites people and begins to go back up. Stagnation is one of the easiest killers of excitement, and we have seen nothing but stagnation across the entire cryptocurrency market for a very long time now. So I want to know what you guys think about both of those proposals. Number one, should we be paying the Terra Rebels $15,000 per month? And number two, do you guys think we should be upgrading the blockchain in this manner? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.